Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno7. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. As you can see right now, app drawer is enabled. In order to disable it, let's tap and hold on free space on the screen. Go to More and enter Home Screen mode. Select Standard mode to disable app drawer. Apply and switch. Now app drawer is disabled. Let's enable it again, so tap and hold on free space on the screen. Go to More, Home Screen mode and select Drawer mode. Apply, switch, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.